Well, how Hunter children to do? This year the Queen Quet coming to Hunter from the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition Alkebulan archive. This year the only archive where they in the world were dedicated to who we be and things like that. And this year we International University, the Gullah Geechee Nation, full of material and things from, and plenty of Hunter children were there upon we Gullah Geechee Nation fan page on Facebook, and who to follow me on Twitter and thing at Gullah Geechee, or who to there upon we blog at GullahGeecheeNation.com. Hunter children to see plenty of things where we to share and things like that. Even what Hunter to yet me read on Gullah Geechee Rhythm Radio plenty of time like that. So now a lot of Hunter children then geek things for till we archive, donate things like this young book here, where we write about Lorenzo Daltona and things like that. And we're so glad if I have one autograph edition right here we archive, and plenty of we material and things like this year autographing. But you know something what me and even more than this year kind of mark. The mark done put on we heart by plenty of Hunter children who send even $5 in the month for help we for get stamp and things, or otherwise the people who done send up to $100 and $500 to help me for get more book, for get the archive bill, for who join me, who been buy one of the file cabinet and things for we have and things like that. And so a lot of times people who read, you value your books as much as I do, but we don't realize how much a collector's edition can be worth in the many years to come, especially to the families of the people whose stories that these books tell. Many times today, folks come here to the Gullah Geechee Nation, they want to learn about our language, our traditions, our heritage, our culture. We have writers that have written novels and so on. We have all these different materials that we have had stored and that we've shared with the world from this archive since the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition started back in 1996. Well, we're asking for your help to not only complete what we now need with our digitizing of this collection, but also that at any point that you would contribute to the archive by sending in archival materials to help to make sure that the things are taken care of. Like I ought to have on gloves right now while I'm handling the books that are acid-free and acid-free boxes. And if you have an Amazon account, there's materials right on there that you could purchase and send. And also, of course, additional office supplies can always help. So staples, cards, gift cards that can help us get the supplies to keep the archive running. Because it's not just as simple as buying the book and then sticking it on the shelf. It's about making sure that it can be protected so that in the many generations to come, someone can come and access this even when some of these books are out of date and no longer published, like many that are already in our collection. We have a collection of the Journal of Negro History that many people have never seen as bound volumes. So these are the types of things that we're holding on to here because we believe in our story, Black history, Gullah Geechee history, our story, and making sure that it lives on for future generations. So we ask that you contribute to the archive by donating also your family reunion journals so that others who are doing research can find them. You can contribute books, papers, thesis papers, manuscripts, photographs, posters, but most of all right now we need your help with getting the digital divide closed. We are in the process of raising funds for a new computer that can man all the things that we need to digitize. In the process of that digitizing, we actually need 2 of them, and they have to be Mac based. We use Macs here, and so definitely 2 Mac computers we're working on so we can digitize simultaneously. We have a whole music archive as well as all the written literature, so we can have both devices running at once. And then we need backup drives, a terabyte, a tetrabyte, as some would say also, of memory on each is what we're looking for. They can be the small little ones, or they can be towers, and so we need those types of things to help back it up, and a server. So we're calling on all of our supporters of the Gullah Geechee Nation, the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition supporters, and our followers and friends to join us in this and support our efforts by either donating some of the things that you hear me mentioning or coming and making some type of financial contribution so that we can obtain these materials and keep the archive not only going but evolve it so that it's here for the future and that the world can still learn who we be from we down here This year the Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the founder of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. So glad that 100 children to see how we to grow, but want to say to all 100 children who done plant your seed just for help me. Thank you, thank you. God bless your children. Join me at the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition. Email us for details on how you can help. GULLGEECO@AOL.com. GULLGEECO@AOL.com. Because Hunter know, Hunter must take care of the root to heal the tree. Thank you for helping we. Peace and blessings.